Okay, before we start with today's class, I just want you to solve one quiz. Okay, I will just tell you what to do and how to do. Okay, Chris, in the chat box, if you see, I have sent one link. I want you to click on that link and open it on Chrome. Okay, can you tell me, did you open it? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Yeah, yes, sir. It's opening.
It's opening, okay. Tell me what comes next on your screen.
Okay, sir. It asks for my name.
Yes. So
I just type in.
Yeah, type your name and then click on join lesson.
Okay, sir. Let's do a quick activity test to test your understanding.
Correct. So there's one activity test for you based on sets only. So it's all of the chapter that we studied. Okay. Then next, if you see, it says in the following activity, you have to match pairs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the activity. Can you see the pairs on your screen?
Match the following pair.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now start matching. You can take your time and do it.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Done? Okay, good. So you got 5 correct from there.
Oh, how much from?
7 over there. Oh, you got all right.
Oh,
No, you got it all correct. You got it all correct. Good.
oh. But it's sort of green for everyone.
Yeah, you got it all correct. Okay, so let's move on to the next.
Yes, sure.
This is a quiz. Can you see the quiz question?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Yes, sure. A well-defined collection of objects is known as.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, you
set.
take your time, read it, and mark the correct
Yes.
answer, and then click on submit.
A should be, A W should be. A set of no element is inherited known as MD. A set containing only one element is said to be singleton set. The set O of all positive integers less than 10 decimal point. Odd positive integers less than 10 decimal odd positive. We should study this. Done, sir.
Okay, good. You got it all right.
Okay, sir. Go on.
Okay, there's a question in the
Yeah,
next.
how do you feel about this?
Yes. Okay. So as per your thinking, whatever it is, you mark the
Yeah.
answer. Okay. Next, I want you to now open Zoom and click on share screen, and I want you to share your screen. And after that, what you have to do, I'll tell you.
Okay, sir. Share. Where are you?
Okay, so I am sending one link again in the chat box,
Yes, sir.
and I want you to open that link. I want you to click
Yes.
on that link. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. Can you see the link? Just click on that link and open it.
Chat. I just close it, that's all.
The previous one, yes, you can close it. Okay, so now this is a Venn diagram activity. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to place the numbers. So if you see, the red one says even, the red circle Venn diagram is for even, the green is for prime, and the blue is for square. Now, accordingly, with the help of your mouse, pick up the numbers and put it in the
Okay, sir.
each circles. So if you're correct, we'll check it later on. Start.
So by square, they mean that there is a square for this number, right?
By square, they mean perfect square. Perfect square. For example, if you see 4, 4 is a perfect square. 2 square, 4. So 4 comes
Oh,
under
yes.
perfect square.
Okay, sir. I understand. I understand.
If you're done, you can click on check. Below there is check, you can click on that. Or if you want to okay, not all numbers are in the correct region. Can you see some number you have written in the, you have put in the wrong region? Can you notice that? I'll give you one. I'll tell you one. You have put 2 here. 2 in between square and prime. But 2 is not a perfect square, correct? 2 is not a square of, is 2 a square of any number? For example, 4 is a perfect square, that is correct. Why 4 is a perfect square? Because 4 is a square of 2.
Yes.
Same thing, 16 is also a perfect square because 16 is a square of 4. But is 2 square of any number? No, so 2 would come here. Where will you put 2? Put it here. Here.
Yeah. Now I'm correct.
Okay, still it is coming incorrect. So can you spot out the wrong number which is misplaced? I'll give you a hint. Check this circle, the green circle. Check the numbers in the green circle.
7,
All should be prime.
It's not prime. 16 is not a square.
Yes, 15 is causing a problem. 15, is it prime?
No, sir.
Yeah, correct. Now check.
Square.
15, is it prime? No. Is it?
I don't think so. It's a square, sir.
It's not even a square. Okay, one more.
And it's not even.
So leave it out only. Leave 15 out only. Now check.
No, sir, I don't think so.
Okay. Now click on check. Okay, so something is missing. Take out this one and put it in prime. Put it only in prime, okay. No. No, 2 won't come there. 2 is proper of yours. 2 is in square. Okay. One thing I forgot to tell. 1 is not a prime number.
Oh.
Okay, now you got it correct. Well, no, don't click on that. You'll have to. Okay, one last activity I would want you to do, and then we will come to a normal problem set we'll solve. So I'll send one more link in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've sent a link. I want you to open that link.
I close the tab, sir.
Yeah, you can close it. So you just have to fill in the colors. Now you see, if you see the first one, bottom A is written. So which circle represent A? Just click and the color will get filled into it.
Okay, sir.
Can you try the first one?
Yes, sir.
Is that A? Yes, correct. If you want to check if it is correct, below there will be check. You can click on that. So yeah, first one is correct. Now to the second one and check.
A Union B.
Click on, see, when you're doing one now, then just click on check. So you'll come to know whether yours is correct or not. Yeah, so next is correct.
A
Third one is
A complement.
A complement. Why you have got wrong? Because A complement everything outside A. So outside A, the universal set is also there.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
B complement. A complement intersection B. A complement
Do you want me to tell me why you're getting it wrong?
I don't understand. Sorry.
See, A complement everything outside A. And now look at every no. Listen to me first. A complement everything outside A, and that intersecting with B means everything outside A and B, that is common.
Yes.
So what is common in B and everything outside A? It will be only B. Yes, correct.
A union B complement.
Union. So you have to take A also. No. Yeah, correct.
A complement intersecting B complement. A complement. Um,
The middle won't come. Because everything is outside.
A union B union A complement intersection B. Complement. A union B will be
This last one is little tricky. Think
so
about
then
it.
A union B will be that, and it will be union with A complement. A complement is B and B. Then
Look at the previous two. You'll get the answer. Look at this one. This one is A union B, and this one is A complement intersection B complement. Look at them. Look at the green portion, and you have to take union. So combine both of them. Combine this figure and combine this figure.
would it be
See, combine both of the figure. Correct. Correct. So you got all right. Okay, so we can stop our activities here and we'll come to our problem set. Now, I want you to stop your screen share
Okay.
and make me the host. Just click on my name. There will be a 3 dots on my name. Click on that and make me host.
Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay. So we will do problem sums. Problem set. So good. You did a very good in the activities and you solved majorly all of them. You got it correct. So good. I'm happy. So in our tomorrow's test, we'll do a proper return test. So this was just like a game type, warm up type. Yeah. So in a tomorrow's test, for your tomorrow's test, be ready with your, wherever you're writing it, write it properly and your book and pen.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the book in front of you where you solved the sums from the problem set?
I have a PDF, sir.
You don't have the book?
No, sir.
Where did you solve?
I wrote it in the book.
That book. I'm asking about that book. Open that book.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So we did sums, that is at 1.4. Okay, so your homework was 3, 4, 5, 6, correct?
3, 4, 5. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me open your homework. Because actually the problem that your PDF is not visible to me properly. So next time when you make PDF, just try to keep your mobile straight and then click the pictures. Which app do you use?
I don't know. I just downloaded a random app to make a PDF.
Do you remember what is the name of that app?
Name of the app. Yeah.
Adobe Scan? PDF Maker.
PDF Maker. PDF.
Okay. Actually, I'll recommend you use Adobe Scan. In that, you will able to do the PDF properly. Okay, it's okay.
When I checked before, when I clicked the photos, I checked and I thought it was visible. Maybe it was a mistake or something.
Okay. Because they are tilted, they are not straight, so that's why I couldn't see it properly. But it's okay. Next time when you do, just make it strict. See that the pictures are straight.
Sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. So one more thing, when you solve these, did you check the answer behind? No, you did not. Okay. For the third one, now since the book is in your hand, open the book and open up to the third question. That is,
yes.
You had to find how many speak only English and how many speak only French.
Yes, sir.
So you got only English, you got 57, 57, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And people speaking only French, you got 28, correct? That number is 28
Yes,
written. Okay, good.
Yes,
that's correct. Then the
Correct.
fourth, yeah, it's correct. Then fourth one, you had to find out of these 25 trees planted, how many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya?
Wait a second.
Okay. In the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
one, see in your book, you have written let A be the trees planted by Parth, let B be the trees
Yes,
planted
sir.
by Pradnya. Now, one thing you
Yes.
missed writing is N of A is equal to 70. That you have to mention. N of A
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to 70. Then N of B is equal to 90. Then
90.
N of A
Yes.
intersection B is equal to 25. That all you have to
Yes.
write it first and then substitute it in the formula.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So, yeah.
so when I have to find A intersection B, how do I find it, sir? Because I was having trouble finding it, so I just thought and did it, sir.
Here
In
it
the
is.
first sum, sir. In the first sum, sir, where we need to find the French speakers, sir, French and English speakers together. We need to find A intersecting B, sir. So I couldn't find out how to do it. So I did number of A plus N of B. No, minus N of A minus N of B. Is it correct, sir?
A intersection B is given in the question. No? See the question on the screen.
Out of 100.
Out of these, 25
No,
trees
sir, no,
were
sir.
planted
In
by
the
both.
third question, sir. In the third question.
Third one, this out of
Yeah.
the English French example.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what can you repeat? What? Okay, one thing, Chris. If the meeting may end, if it ends, rejoin. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will end in 10 minutes, so there is time. But if it ends, rejoin. So what was your question here?
How to find A intersecting B, because this time I just thought of it and guessed it and did it, like number of A minus number of B.
Okay. In your book, you have written the A intersection B is speaking English and French both.
Yes, sir.
And that is...
I mean, like, how can I find the A intersection B, the answer, if I want to find something, because I couldn't understand, so I just guessed it and did it.
Okay, this 15, how did you get 15?
I subtracted, first I added both the sets A and B, then I subtracted by the universal set, and then I got 15.
Can you see the question? Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I understood your question. So we'll go through it right from the beginning. So
Yes.
out of 100 persons in a group, 72% speak English, 43% speak French, and each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language.
One language.
Then you have to find
Then
how
how
many speak only English and how many speak only French.
Only French.
So let's try to understand this with the help of a Venn diagram.
Venn diagram.
Okay, so there are 100 people here in this total, and 72 speaks English,
English.
and 43
Three
speaks French. 43 speaks French. So you have to find out this first, A intersection B. And after A intersection B, you have to find how many speak only English. That is this portion of the Venn diagram. And
Yes.
you have to find out how many speak only French. That is this green portion of the Venn diagram.
Yes.
Okay. Now, your question was how to find out how many in the intersection. So you have to find out how many in A intersection B.
Yes.
Okay. So data will write what all is given. N of A is 72.
72.
N of B is
B is 43.
And one more thing is given.
The universal number is 100.
Huh?
The universal number is 100. The number of universal.
Number of elements in a universal set, that is 100.
100.
Now, if you note one thing, 72 plus 43. How much is this?
115 something.
115.
That's how I got the.
That means 115 is here. This
Yes.
outside. And what does that mean? Students who don't speak any language, neither English nor French.
So it said that all the students speak at least one language, sir. And there are 100 students. Sir.
Okay. All the students speak at least one language. Okay. So N of A union B. A union B. What does this mean? A union B. Students who speak English
plus
or French or both.
Or yeah.
That is the meaning of union. Okay. That means in A, in B, or in both. So this means that this is total number of students who speak at least one language. So N of A union B will be 100. Do you understand why this is 100?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And now you have A, you have A, you have B, you have N of A union B. So you can use this formula, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Substitute the values. This is 100. This is 72. This is 43. And this you have to find out.
Yes.
So 100. This is 115 minus n of A
100.
intersection B. Understood? You take this side and take this plus 100 this side.
Oh, yes, I understand.
So n of A intersection B will be 105
115
minus 100.
minus.
So this is 15. This is how you get 15. So the main thing is here. What is A union B? Now, since in the question it is mentioned